rappers try approaching the omen. My poems will punish your people while I'm up at the podium. Pharaoh folding them like wash clothes again. I'm a vulture when the flow go choke you can. Broke, I leave most of them. Slow, I keep my motion in. Eye on the prize. I silence the wise with lyrics making scientists cry. Making the secret society expose their purpose. Making them unleash info and exploding my surface. I'm taking my time to birth this rap entity earthless. It's showtime, there's no time. Be ready when the curtains split. I'm hurting shit, too powerful for painkillers. On the concrete jungle we walk like trained gorillas. Untamed and my niggas is Kane. Cool G, Rock him, combined into one frame. We like the new mecca of immaculate rappers. Vinny Paz, Carter Goons, now we back with the clappers.
Remain silent, kill him with what I mentally says. Bloody fez, choke you like an Indian res. Kamach, animal Turk, sick with a cannibal smirk. Welcome, this where the murderers lurk. It's my mind to make sure that the sun can work. Scorch bodies, leave all of your gunmen hurt. Pharaoh sultans, create a serious coat jam. And my hand is where the tears of the Pope ran. They stay watching like they keep me on a scope cam. I'm in heaven with the angels and smoke grams. You need God, that's why the earth's so damn. International, trying to get my flow banned. That's cool if I don't kick these prayers. A lot of floods and famines gonna hit these years. Kamachi back on the chapel stairs. Open the clouds, let the thunder clap your ears.
You wanna put your money up, then motherfucker, then put it for your family sanity, man. I wish that you wouldn't. Niggas got nice flows, just don't know where to put it. And I know your whole life your raps are edited footage. In your mixtape, niggas couldn't see my plateaus. All up in my presence while y'all acting bashful. King size casting and ecliptic rap flow. Your little light niggas couldn't feed my shadows. From city to city, intersection to section, with you reflexing. With or without a weapon, I'm always stepping, never scared, but always and forever prepared. Yeah, the ones who drink gas, man, is revving the gears.
Now rocking with the phallus click in the continent. Total dominance, rise to prominence. In my prime like Optimus, stand in astonishment at this conglomerate and access of evil. I know where Osama is. He down in Camp David, down and dirty like a damp basement. The champ must demand greatness from himself or be another contender. There's hundreds of niggas dead left under the river. From the days of slaves to hurricanes and all lanes. See my people's graves floating amongst the waves. There's hell to pay, but the devil don't take checks. I tried to send a message to God, his phone don't take text. I need a new plan, a crook with knowledge. Times is hard, homie, why I took them dollars. Man, my mama got a mortgage, and my little baby sister need books for college. I rob all y'all.
They want the hood ahead, so they call me first. I get them rappers.